Hi everyone, today we're on Module 3 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 0, Review 1. There are 2 review lessons. So let's turn to page 1 so you can follow along and take notes. Adding multi-digit numbers with regrouping. So remember, we have done this before, so this is some of your review page. So if you notice here, for number 1, 38 plus 76 plus 26. Well, they rewrote it and they lined up all of the ones places and then the tens places because there's all 2-digit numbers. So remember, we always start and we add the ones place first. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So I put a 0 here and I have to regroup. It's 20, so I'm going to put 2 tens in the tens place. Then I add up the tens column. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So then it's like you're carrying that one, but you get 140 for the answer. Number 2, 888 plus 104. So 888 plus 104. Notice how I'm lining up the places exactly on top of each other. So then we start in the ones place. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. There's our answer. Notice here for number 3, they already lined them up for us. 7,826 plus 6,323. 6 plus 3 is 9. We always start in the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry that 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Sorry, mine aren't lining up because I don't have enough room. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So then remember, if you start over here, this is like the decimal point place if you want to think about it that way. And we go over 1, 2, 3 spots, and then you can put the comma there. So it's 14,209. All right, the next one, we got a lot bigger number. We have 2,348,347, and then 94,000. Notice how I'm lining these up. 117. So the place values are all lined up. Start in the ones. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. You can put the comma there since we know that's where it goes. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 9 is 15. No, it's not. Sorry, it's 14. I got to fix that quick. Sorry about that. 14. So put a 4 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, and then bring down that 2. So 2,442,464. All right, this says, find the sum of 7,326 and 3,173. So this one, they did expanded notation. So the expanded notation of 7,326 is 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. And then the next number is 3,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. Well, sometimes people's brains work a little bit more like this, which is nice, and it's maybe a little easier to write. 7,000 plus 3,000 is 10,000. 300 plus 100 is 400. 20 plus 70 is 90. 6 plus 3 is 9. So now we're going to add up all those. 10,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 9. Well, remember, these are all the place values. So we have 10,000. There's nothing in the thousands place, so it stays at 10,499. That is your answer. This says, find each sum, regroup as needed. Make this a little bigger. So they have the first numbers 5 and 6. They have them lined up. 1 plus 8 is 9. Always start in the ones. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. 7 plus 6 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 1. So then we bring that comma over. Here's a little bit bigger number, but we always start in the 1s. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then we have 4. So then we bring our commas in there. All right. I'm going to do these two, but I want you to pause and try and do these yourself. So remember, I'll help you with this first one. Line up the number with the other number and the place values, and then add it up. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and then pause, and then play it to see if you get the right answer. Nine plus 9 is 18, so you got to carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Bring down that 1. Okay, next one you've got to line up. Well, first, did you get this one right? Hopefully this is your answer. Next one, remember, line it up. So press pause, line them up, and then add, and then press play to see if you get the right answer. All right, always start in the 1s. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Carry that 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. There's our comma. Carry that 1 though. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. So this is your answer. All right, did you get this one right? Hopefully you did. All right, add multi-digit numbers with regrouping. It says using symbols. So here's the number, the two numbers to add. It says write the problem vertically. So remember, line up the digits with the same place value in the columns. Then you add the digits in the 1s column. If the sum has more than one digit, regroup. So look what they had here. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put the 4, regroup with the 1. Then continue adding the digits in the next columns going from right to left. If the sum has more than one digit, then you regroup. All right, you're going to complete page 3 on your own. Good luck.